Don't get old, Liam.
Perfect.
All right, here we go. Let's introduce these guys. Jack Cola, put your hand in the air. Right here in the Ion black shirt and the red helmet. Next up, we've got Liam Thompson back here, red shirt, white helmet. He's feeling it. Chaz McBride, the local ninja, black on black. Merrick Massey in the back there, claiming it, salmon-colored shirt and the black helmet. Then we have Brandon Bell right here, coming over from Riverton, Wyoming.
Yeah, Brandon!
And last but not least, in the yellow, Ellis Swain. All right, you guys feeling good? Yeah, you all know where you want to start from? All right, go grab your spot. We're gonna give you 5 minutes. This is for the finals. This is for first, second, and third. And then everybody else ties for fourth, so nice work.
DJ Era.
That's all you got? That's it? That's all you can do with the air horn? Come on. A little backside air over the Desai hip. Brandon walling up onto the manual pad, then ollieing off. Frontside air from Jack. Again, these are our Cowpoke finalists, our 9 and under division. Merrick going for a transfer out of the quarter pipe. Here comes Brandon all the way from Riverton. Ollieing into the bank. Minute and a half left for you guys. Brandon pumping that pump bump super hard, coming in fast. Oh, boneless to tail. This is the original version of the Bob Seger song. Brandon, time to get that again, Brandon. We want to see it. All right, we're down to 10 seconds.
Get some speed.
3 seconds. Yeah, Brandon!
Woo!
Jake, another board slide down the rail. Here comes Jet getting some speed for the wedge. Oh, frontside flip, almost keeping it together. Jake, get it, Jake, we want it. Yeah, Jake with a big frontside turning manual on the manual pad. Backside flip from someone. Huh? Oh, sorry, Arrow. Arrow? Josie working on frontside board down the rail. Arrow getting a kick flip over the wedge at the minute 30 mark.
It doesn't even phase him, dude. He's like, whatever. He's a prodigy.
Lance Mountain was just in Haley and catching a couple days ago. Here we go, Sam Litzelman is in. No, this is the Misfit, sorry. Yeah, tailbone. Nick Winterowitz is back in.